Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video I am going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone without resetting or erasing your iPhone data. With this method you can transfer all your WhatsApp data including their attachments such as photos, videos, documents and everything else from your Android phone to your iPhone, and that is coming up. Okay, in order to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone you need a Windows or a Mac computer, and after that you need a software called iPhone WhatsApp Transfer, which you can get from the link given in the video description below. So just click on free download and install it into your Windows or Mac computer. After installing it, open it up. Once opened, click on WhatsApp. Now connect both your phones to computer using your USB cable. Once your phones are connected, this software will detect them automatically. So as you can see on the left hand side, you have the source phone. This is the phone that will transfer WhatsApp data, and destination phone will receive WhatsApp data. So in my case, I'm transferring WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. So I'm going to click on this flip button, which will change the order. Now just click on transfer, click continue. Now you need to create WhatsApp messages on your Android phone. In order to backup WhatsApp messages on your Android phone, first of all, open WhatsApp. Then tap on these three dots, select settings, select chats, scroll all the way down, tap on chat backup. First of all, tap on automatic backup, make sure it's turned off. After that, just tap on backup. This way, you are backing up your WhatsApp messages to your phone's internal storage. After backing up WhatsApp messages on your Android phone, click on continue, click on transfer directly, and then wait for the software to get WhatsApp data from your source phone, from your Android phone. Okay, the next step is verifying your WhatsApp backup account. From this list, select your country, type your WhatsApp phone number, then click on verify. Click on continue, click on continue once again. After receiving the verification code, just type it here, and then click on verify. Once it's verified, now wait for this process to complete. Okay, now select the data that you want to transfer along with your WhatsApp messages. So in my case, I'm gonna select everything, then click continue and wait for this process to complete. While this process is taking place, would you please like this video and share it with your friends? For you, like and share is just a matter of clicks, but for me it means a lot. So thank you so much if you do. Okay, the final step is logging into WhatsApp on your target device, on your iPhone. So first of all, open WhatsApp on your iPhone and verify your phone number. After verifying your WhatsApp account, if you come to this page where it says restore from iCloud, don't restore it because you are not restoring your WhatsApp messages from iCloud. Instead, you are transferring WhatsApp from your Android phone. So just skip it and give all the required permissions, and now leave your iPhone as it is. Now on your computer, click on logged in and this page will pop up. Now you need to turn off Find My iPhone. In order to turn off Find My iPhone, first of all, head over to your iPhone settings, tap on your name, select Find My, tap on Find My iPhone and turn it off. If you are unable to turn off like me, as you can see, in that case, go back to main page and scroll all the way down, tap on privacy and security, again scroll all the way down, select stolen device protection and turn it off. You will be able to turn off this feature after 1 hour. So just tap on start security delay and wait for 1 hour. If you are doing this for the first time, it will ask you to wait for 1 hour. So I will come back after 1 hour. Once the security delay is ended, now tap on continue, and now this option will be turned off by itself. Now all you have to do is go back, and now when you try to turn off Find My iPhone, you should be able to. Now you can see, now I am able to turn off Find My iPhone. Now type your Apple ID password to turn it off. You can turn these two features back on after transferring your WhatsApp data. After turning off Find My iPhone, click on try again and then wait for this process to complete. This process will take time depending on how much WhatsApp data you have on your Android phone. And on the other side, you will see this restore in progress message on your iPhone. Just wait for the transfer to complete. Once the transferring process is completed, you will see this message on your computer. And on the other side, wait for your iPhone to restart. Once your iPhone is restarted, now unlock it. And now when you open WhatsApp, type your name. If you want to create passkey, you can do so, but I am going to skip it for now. After that, you should have all your WhatsApp messages transferred from your Android phone to your iPhone. As you can see, these are the exact same WhatsApp messages that I had on my Android phone. Now they are all transferred to my iPhone. And now you can go ahead and turn on Find My iPhone and the other option. So there you have it, guys. That is my video on how to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. Please let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. I would love to hear them. And also, if you learned something new from this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your one like and share means a world to me. So thank you so much if you do. And if you want more videos like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel. And I will catch you in the next one. Stay blessed, stay safe. Bye.